산티아고는 고독과 싸운다.
Santiago battles solitude. Santiago battles solitude. Santiago battles solitude.
바다는 끊임없이 변화하고 있습니다.
The sea is ever changing. The sea is ever changing. The sea is ever changing.
산티아고는 승리를 꿈꾼다.
Santiago dreams of triumph. Santiago dreams of triumph. Santiago dreams of triumph.
물고기는 무서운 적이다.
The fish is a formidable foe. The fish is a formidable foe. The fish is a formidable foe.
산티아고는 거센 파도에 직면해 있습니다.
Santiago faces relentless waves. Santiago faces relentless waves. Santiago faces relentless waves.
투쟁은 완고합니다.
The struggle is unyielding. The struggle is unyielding. The struggle is unyielding.
산티아고의 결심은 흔들리지 않습니다.
Santiago's determination is unwavering. Santiago's determination is unwavering. Santiago's determination is unwavering.
소녀는 탄력성을 목격합니다.
The boy witnesses resilience. The boy witnesses resilience. The boy witnesses resilience.
산티아고는 두려움에 직면합니다.
Santiago confronts his fears. Santiago confronts his fears. Santiago confronts his fears.
바다는 산티아고의 용기를 시험합니다.
The sea tests Santiago's mettle. The sea tests Santiago's mettle. The sea tests Santiago's mettle.
산티아고의 보트는 어려움에 직면해 있습니다.
Santiago's boat faces challenges. Santiago's boat faces challenges. Santiago's boat faces challenges.
물고기의 힘은 타의 추종을 불허합니다.
The fish's strength is unmatched. The fish's strength is unmatched. The fish's strength is unmatched.
산티아고는 투쟁을 받아들입니다.
Santiago embraces the struggle. Santiago embraces the struggle. Santiago embraces the struggle.
바다는 넓고 깊습니다.
The ocean is vast and deep. The ocean is vast and deep. The ocean is vast and deep.
산티아고의 여정은 변화무쌍합니다.
Santiago's journey is transformative. Santiago's journey is transformative. Santiago's journey is transformative.
소녀는 산티아고의 경험을 통해 배운다.
The boy learns from Santiago's experiences. The boy learns from Santiago's experiences. The boy learns from Santiago's experiences.
산티아고의 회복력은 감탄을 자아낸다.
Santiago's resilience inspires admiration. Santiago's resilience inspires admiration. Santiago's resilience inspires admiration.
물고기는 인내를 상징합니다.
The fish symbolizes perseverance. The fish symbolizes perseverance. The fish symbolizes perseverance.
산티아고는 용기 있게 피로와 맞서 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles fatigue with courage. Santiago battles fatigue with courage. Santiago battles fatigue with courage.
바다는 귀중한 교훈을 줍니다.
The sea teaches valuable lessons. The sea teaches valuable lessons. The sea teaches valuable lessons.
산티아고의 정신은 깨지지 않았습니다.
Santiago's spirit remains unbroken. Santiago's spirit remains unbroken. Santiago's spirit remains unbroken.
투쟁은 성격의 시험이다.
The struggle is a test of character. The struggle is a test of character. The struggle is a test of character.
산티아고는 미지의 세계에 직면해 있습니다.
Santiago faces the unknown. Santiago faces the unknown. Santiago faces the unknown.
물고기는 야생을 구현합니다.
The fish embodies the wild. The fish embodies the wild. The fish embodies the wild.
산티아고의 손에는 상처가 있다.
Santiago's hands bear scars. Santiago's hands bear scars. Santiago's hands bear scars.
소녀는 내면의 힘을 얻습니다.
The boy gains inner strength. The boy gains inner strength. The boy gains inner strength.
산티아고의 지혜는 말을 초월합니다.
Santiago's wisdom transcends words. Santiago's wisdom transcends words. Santiago's wisdom transcends words.
바다는 고대 이야기를 속삭인다.
The sea whispers ancient tales. The sea whispers ancient tales. The sea whispers ancient tales.
산티아고는 내면의 악마와 맞서게 된다.
Santiago confronts his inner demons. Santiago confronts his inner demons. Santiago confronts his inner demons.
투쟁은 산티아고의 성격을 형성합니다.
The struggle molds Santiago's character. The struggle molds Santiago's character. The struggle molds Santiago's character.
산티아고의 여행은 탐구이다.
Santiago's journey is a quest. Santiago's journey is a quest. Santiago's journey is a quest.
물고기는 훌륭한 적입니다.
The fish is a magnificent adversary. The fish is a magnificent adversary. The fish is a magnificent adversary.
산티아고는 역경에 맞서 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles against the odds. Santiago battles against the odds. Santiago battles against the odds.
바다는 존경을 요구합니다.
The sea demands respect. The sea demands respect. The sea demands respect.
산티아고의 용기가 밝게 빛난다.
Santiago's courage shines brightly. Santiago's courage shines brightly. Santiago's courage shines brightly.
생존을 위한 투쟁은 현실입니다.
The struggle for survival is real. The struggle for survival is real. The struggle for survival is real.
산티아고는 자연에서 위안을 찾습니다.
Santiago finds solace in nature. Santiago finds solace in nature. Santiago finds solace in nature.
물고기는 자연의 힘입니다.
The fish is a force of nature. The fish is a force of nature. The fish is a force of nature.
산티아고의 결단력은 희망을 불러일으킵니다.
Santiago's determination fuels hope. Santiago's determination fuels hope. Santiago's determination fuels hope.
소녀는 인내의 기술을 배운다.
The boy learns the art of patience. The boy learns the art of patience. The boy learns the art of patience.
산티아고는 냉정하게 요소에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces the elements stoically. Santiago faces the elements stoically. Santiago faces the elements stoically.
바다에는 말할 수 없는 비밀이 숨겨져 있습니다.
The sea holds secrets untold. The sea holds secrets untold. The sea holds secrets untold.
산티아고의 배는 도전을 헤쳐나가고 있습니다.
Santiago's boat sails through challenges. Santiago's boat sails through challenges. Santiago's boat sails through challenges.
투쟁은 산티아고의 힘을 드러낸다.
The struggle reveals Santiago's strength. The struggle reveals Santiago's strength. The struggle reveals Santiago's strength.
산티아고의 여정은 시간을 초월합니다.
Santiago's journey transcends time. Santiago's journey transcends time. Santiago's journey transcends time.
물고기는 회복력의 상징입니다.
The fish is a symbol of resilience. The fish is a symbol of resilience. The fish is a symbol of resilience.
산티아고는 악천후와 치열하게 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles the elements fiercely. Santiago battles the elements fiercely. Santiago battles the elements fiercely.
바다는 신비의 영역이다.
The sea is a realm of mystery. The sea is a realm of mystery. The sea is a realm of mystery.
산티아고의 영혼은 파도와 함께 춤을 춥니다.
Santiago's spirit dances with the waves. Santiago's spirit dances with the waves. Santiago's spirit dances with the waves.
투쟁은 산티아고의 유산을 정의합니다.
The struggle defines Santiago's legacy. The struggle defines Santiago's legacy. The struggle defines Santiago's legacy.
산티아고의 배는 꿈의 그릇이다.
Santiago's boat is a vessel of dreams. Santiago's boat is a vessel of dreams. Santiago's boat is a vessel of dreams.
물고기의 아름다움이 산티아고를 사로잡습니다.
The fish's beauty captivates Santiago. The fish's beauty captivates Santiago. The fish's beauty captivates Santiago.
산티아고는 흐름에 맞서 싸운다.
Santiago battles against the current. Santiago battles against the current. Santiago battles against the current.
바다는 감정의 캔버스이다.
The sea is a canvas of emotions. The sea is a canvas of emotions. The sea is a canvas of emotions.
산티아고의 결단력이 크게 울려 퍼진다.
Santiago's determination echoes loudly. Santiago's determination echoes loudly. Santiago's determination echoes loudly.
투쟁은 산티아고의 운명을 결정합니다.
The struggle shapes Santiago's destiny. The struggle shapes Santiago's destiny. The struggle shapes Santiago's destiny.
산티아고는 희망을 안고 지평선을 바라보고 있습니다.
Santiago faces the horizon with hope. Santiago faces the horizon with hope. Santiago faces the horizon with hope.
물고기는 자유를 상징합니다.
The fish symbolizes freedom. The fish symbolizes freedom. The fish symbolizes freedom.
산티아고의 손은 용기에 대한 이야기를 엿보냅니다.
Santiago's hands weave tales of courage. Santiago's hands weave tales of courage. Santiago's hands weave tales of courage.
소녀는 바다의 언어를 배운다.
The boy learns the language of the sea. The boy learns the language of the sea. The boy learns the language of the sea.
산티아고는 자연의 힘과 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles the forces of nature. Santiago battles the forces of nature. Santiago battles the forces of nature.
바다는 회복력에 대한 이야기를 속삭인다.
The sea whispers tales of resilience. The sea whispers tales of resilience. The sea whispers tales of resilience.
산티아고의 여행은 의지력의 증거입니다.
Santiago's journey is a testament to willpower. Santiago's journey is a testament to willpower. Santiago's journey is a testament to willpower.
생존을 위한 투쟁은 끝이 없습니다.
The struggle for survival is relentless. The struggle for survival is relentless. The struggle for survival is relentless.
산티아고의 배는 시간을 항해한다.
Santiago's boat sails through time. Santiago's boat sails through time. Santiago's boat sails through time.
물고기는 모험의 정신을 구현합니다.
The fish embodies the spirit of adventure. The fish embodies the spirit of adventure. The fish embodies the spirit of adventure.
산티아고는 용기 있게 폭풍 후에 맞서고 있습니다.
Santiago faces the tempest with courage. Santiago faces the tempest with courage. Santiago faces the tempest with courage.
바다는 도전의 놀이터입니다.
The sea is a playground of challenges. The sea is a playground of challenges. The sea is a playground of challenges.
산티아고의 결심은 등대입니다.
Santiago's determination is a beacon. Santiago's determination is a beacon. Santiago's determination is a beacon.
투쟁은 힘의 교향곡이다.
The struggle is a symphony of strength. The struggle is a symphony of strength. The struggle is a symphony of strength.
산티아고는 의심의 흐름에 맞서 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles against the current of doubt. Santiago battles against the current of doubt. Santiago battles against the current of doubt.
물고기의 위엄이 경외심을 불러일으킵니다.
The fish's majesty inspires awe. The fish's majesty inspires awe. The fish's majesty inspires awe.
산티아고의 손이 그의 운명을 결정한다.
Santiago's hands sculpt his destiny. Santiago's hands sculpt his destiny. Santiago's hands sculpt his destiny.
소녀는 파도의 리듬을 배운다.
The boy learns the rhythm of the waves. The boy learns the rhythm of the waves. The boy learns the rhythm of the waves.
산티아고는 용기를 가지고 시면에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces the abyss with courage. Santiago faces the abyss with courage. Santiago faces the abyss with courage.
바다는 이야기의 광대한 테피스트리이다.
The sea is a vast tapestry of stories. The sea is a vast tapestry of stories. The sea is a vast tapestry of stories.
산티아고의 여행은 걸작이다.
Santiago's journey is a masterpiece. Santiago's journey is a masterpiece. Santiago's journey is a masterpiece.
투쟁은 운명과의 춤이다.
The struggle is a dance with fate. The struggle is a dance with fate. The struggle is a dance with fate.
갈매기와 함께 산티아고의 영혼이 솟아오른다.
Santiago's spirit soars with the seagulls. Santiago's spirit soars with the seagulls. Santiago's spirit soars with the seagulls.
물고기는 깊은 바다의 수호자입니다.
The fish is a guardian of the deep. The fish is a guardian of the deep. The fish is a guardian of the deep.
산티아고는 절망의 파도에 맞서 싸우고 있습니다.
Santiago battles against the tides of despair. Santiago battles against the tides of despair. Santiago battles against the tides of despair.
바다는 무한한 가능성의 영역입니다.
The sea is a realm of endless possibilities. The sea is a realm of endless possibilities. The sea is a realm of endless possibilities.
산티아고의 결심은 불꽃이다.
Santiago's determination is a flame. Santiago's determination is a flame. Santiago's determination is a flame.
투쟁은 내면의 여정이다.
The struggle is a journey within. The struggle is a journey within. The struggle is a journey within.
산티아고는 회복력을 가지고 미지의 세계에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces the unknown with resilience. Santiago faces the unknown with resilience. Santiago faces the unknown with resilience.
물고기는 바다의 심장을 상징합니다.
The fish symbolizes the heart of the ocean. The fish symbolizes the heart of the ocean. The fish symbolizes the heart of the ocean.
산티아고의 손이 꿈의 배를 인도한다.
Santiago's hands guide the ship of dreams. Santiago's hands guide the ship of dreams. Santiago's hands guide the ship of dreams.
소녀는 바다의 시를 배운다.
The boy learns the poetry of the sea. The boy learns the poetry of the sea. The boy learns the poetry of the sea.
산티아고는 의심의 그림자에 맞서 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles against the shadows of doubt. Santiago battles against the shadows of doubt. Santiago battles against the shadows of doubt.
바다는 경험의 광대한 도서관이다.
The sea is a vast library of experiences. The sea is a vast library of experiences. The sea is a vast library of experiences.
산티아고의 여정은 인간 정신의 승리입니다.
Santiago's journey is a triumph of the human spirit. Santiago's journey is a triumph of the human spirit. Santiago's journey is a triumph of the human spirit.
생존을 위한 투쟁은 시대를 초월한 이야기입니다.
The struggle for survival is a timeless tale. The struggle for survival is a timeless tale. The struggle for survival is a timeless tale.
산티아고의 배는 하늘이라는 캔버스 속을 항해한다.
Santiago's boat sails through the canvas of the sky. Santiago's boat sails through the canvas of the sky. Santiago's boat sails through the canvas of the sky.
물고기는 수중왕국의 수호자입니다.
The fish is a guardian of the underwater kingdom. The fish is a guardian of the underwater kingdom. The fish is a guardian of the underwater kingdom.
산티아고는 역경의 흐름에 맞서 싸우고 있습니다.
Santiago battles against the currents of adversity. Santiago battles against the currents of adversity. Santiago battles against the currents of adversity.
바다는 무한한 가능성의 극장이다.
The sea is a theater of endless possibilities. The sea is a theater of endless possibilities. The sea is a theater of endless possibilities.
산티아고의 결심은 폭풍 속의 등대와 같습니다.
Santiago's determination is a lighthouse in the storm. Santiago's determination is a lighthouse in the storm. Santiago's determination is a lighthouse in the storm.
투쟁은 힘과 인내의 멜로디입니다.
The struggle is a melody of strength and perseverance. The struggle is a melody of strength and perseverance. The struggle is a melody of strength and perseverance.
산티아고는 흔들리지 않는 용기로 시면에 맞서고 있습니다.
Santiago faces the abyss with unwavering courage. Santiago faces the abyss with unwavering courage. Santiago faces the abyss with unwavering courage.
물고기는 바다의 심장박동을 상징합니다.
The fish symbolizes the heartbeat of the ocean. The fish symbolizes the heartbeat of the ocean. The fish symbolizes the heartbeat of the ocean.
노인은 외롭다.
The old man is lonely. The old man is lonely. The old man is lonely.
산티아고는 사자에 관한 꿈을 꾼다.
Santiago dreams about lions. Santiago dreams about lions. Santiago dreams about lions.
그는 큰 물고기를 잡는다.
He catches a big fish. He catches a big fish. He catches a big fish.
상어가 물고기를 공격합니다.
Sharks attack the fish. Sharks attack the fish. Sharks attack the fish.
산티아고는 결코 포기하지 않습니다.
Santiago never gives up. Santiago never gives up. Santiago never gives up.
그는 물고기에게 말을 건다.
He talks to the fish. He talks to the fish. He talks to the fish.
산티아고는 결심했다.
Santiago is determined. Santiago is determined. Santiago is determined.
바다는 그의 친구이다.
The sea is his friend. The sea is his friend. The sea is his friend.
소녀는 산티아고를 존경한다.
The boy respects Santiago. The boy respects Santiago. The boy respects Santiago.
산티아고는 용감하게 도전에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces challenges bravely. Santiago faces challenges bravely. Santiago faces challenges bravely.
그는 청새치와 싸운다.
He fights with the marlin. He fights with the marlin. He fights with the marlin.
산티아고는 숙련된 어부입니다.
Santiago is a skilled fisherman. Santiago is a skilled fisherman. Santiago is a skilled fisherman.
물고기는 강하다.
The fish is strong. The fish is strong. The fish is strong.
투쟁은 치열합니다.
The struggle is intense. The struggle is intense. The struggle is intense.
산티아고는 지쳤지만 희망적입니다.
Santiago is exhausted but hopeful. Santiago is exhausted but hopeful. Santiago is exhausted but hopeful.
그는 진정한 영웅입니다.
He is a true hero. He is a true hero. He is a true hero.
바다는 예측할 수 없습니다.
The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable.
산티아고는 바다를 좋아합니다.
Santiago loves the ocean. Santiago loves the ocean. Santiago loves the ocean.
그 노인은 겸손하다.
The old man is humble. The old man is humble. The old man is humble.
그는 자연을 존중합니다.
He respects nature. He respects nature. He respects nature.
산티아고는 탄력적이다.
Santiago is resilient. Santiago is resilient. Santiago is resilient.
물고기는 위대합니다.
The fish is majestic. The fish is majestic. The fish is majestic.
산티아고의 손이 아프다.
Santiago's hands hurt. Santiago's hands hurt. Santiago's hands hurt.
그는 요소들과 싸웁니다.
He battles with the elements. He battles with the elements. He battles with the elements.
소녀는 산티아고에게서 배운다.
The boy learns from Santiago. The boy learns from Santiago. The boy learns from Santiago.
바다는 넓다.
The sea is vast. The sea is vast. The sea is vast.
산티아고의 배는 작습니다.
Santiago's boat is small. Santiago's boat is small. Santiago's boat is small.
그는 용감하게 고난에 직면합니다.
He faces hardships bravely. He faces hardships bravely. He faces hardships bravely.
노인은 참을성이 있다.
The old man is patient. The old man is patient. The old man is patient.
산티아고는 우정을 소중히 여깁니다.
Santiago values friendship. Santiago values friendship. Santiago values friendship.
여행은 도전적입니다.
The journey is challenging. The journey is challenging. The journey is challenging.
산티아고는 멘토입니다.
Santiago is a mentor. Santiago is a mentor. Santiago is a mentor.
소녀는 그를 우러러본다.
The boy looks up to him. The boy looks up to him. The boy looks up to him.
산티아고는 현명하다.
Santiago is wise. Santiago is wise. Santiago is wise.
바다는 신비롭습니다.
The ocean is mysterious. The ocean is mysterious. The ocean is mysterious.
산티아고는 승리를 결심했습니다.
Santiago is determined to win. Santiago is determined to win. Santiago is determined to win.
소녀는 산티아고를 존경한다.
The boy admires Santiago. The boy admires Santiago. The boy admires Santiago.
산티아고의 정신은 깨지지 않았습니다.
Santiago's spirit is unbroken. Santiago's spirit is unbroken. Santiago's spirit is unbroken.
바다는 용서할 수 없습니다.
The sea is unforgiving. The sea is unforgiving. The sea is unforgiving.
산티아고는 롤모델이다.
Santiago is a role model. Santiago is a role model. Santiago is a role model.
물고기는 상징이다.
The fish is a symbol. The fish is a symbol. The fish is a symbol.
산티아고는 끈질기다.
Santiago is persistent. Santiago is persistent. Santiago is persistent.
소녀는 그를 지원합니다.
The boy supports him. The boy supports him. The boy supports him.
산티아고는 피로와 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles fatigue. Santiago battles fatigue. Santiago battles fatigue.
바다는 예측할 수 없습니다.
The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable.
산티아고는 내면의 힘을 찾습니다.
Santiago finds inner strength. Santiago finds inner strength. Santiago finds inner strength.
투쟁은 치열합니다.
The struggle is intense. The struggle is intense. The struggle is intense.
물고기는 그와 동등합니다.
The fish is his equal. The fish is his equal. The fish is his equal.
산티아고는 전사이다.
Santiago is a warrior. Santiago is a warrior. Santiago is a warrior.
소녀는 그를 믿는다.
The boy believes in him. The boy believes in him. The boy believes in him.
산티아고는 고립의 직면에 있다.
Santiago faces isolation. Santiago faces isolation. Santiago faces isolation.
바다는 그의 동반자이다.
The sea is his companion. The sea is his companion. The sea is his companion.
산티아고는 용기가 있다.
Santiago is courageous. Santiago is courageous. Santiago is courageous.
물고기는 도전이다.
The fish is a challenge. The fish is a challenge. The fish is a challenge.
산티아고는 승리를 결심했습니다.
Santiago is determined to win. Santiago is determined to win. Santiago is determined to win.
투쟁은 지친다.
The struggle is exhausting. The struggle is exhausting. The struggle is exhausting.
산티아고는 고통을 견뎌냅니다.
Santiago endures pain. Santiago endures pain. Santiago endures pain.
바다는 그의 의지를 시험한다.
The sea tests his will. The sea tests his will. The sea tests his will.
산티아고의 결의는 강하다.
Santiago's resolve is strong. Santiago's resolve is strong. Santiago's resolve is strong.
소녀는 인내를 배운다.
The boy learns perseverance. The boy learns perseverance. The boy learns perseverance.
산티아고는 선생님이다.
Santiago is a teacher. Santiago is a teacher. Santiago is a teacher.
물고기는 훌륭합니다.
The fish is magnificent. The fish is magnificent. The fish is magnificent.
산티아고는 잔인합니다.
Santiago is relentless. Santiago is relentless. Santiago is relentless.
바다는 예측할 수 없습니다.
The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable. The sea is unpredictable.
산티아고의 손에서 피가 난다.
Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed. Santiago's hands bleed.
투쟁은 힘들다.
The struggle is arduous. The struggle is arduous. The struggle is arduous.
산티아고는 전사이다.
Santiago is a warrior. Santiago is a warrior. Santiago is a warrior.
물고기는 그의 라이벌이다.
The fish is his rival. The fish is his rival. The fish is his rival.
산티아고는 여전히 희망을 품고 있습니다.
Santiago remains hopeful. Santiago remains hopeful. Santiago remains hopeful.
소녀는 회복력을 배운다.
The boy learns resilience. The boy learns resilience. The boy learns resilience.
산티아고는 역경에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces adversity. Santiago faces adversity. Santiago faces adversity.
바다는 넓고 깊다.
The sea is vast and deep. The sea is vast and deep. The sea is vast and deep.
산티아고는 용기 있게 싸운다.
Santiago fights with courage. Santiago fights with courage. Santiago fights with courage.
투쟁은 도전적입니다.
The struggle is challenging. The struggle is challenging. The struggle is challenging.
산티아고의 손은 강하다.
Santiago's hands are strong. Santiago's hands are strong. Santiago's hands are strong.
물고기는 합당한 상대입니다.
The fish is a worthy opponent. The fish is a worthy opponent. The fish is a worthy opponent.
산티아고는 성공하기로 결심합니다.
Santiago is determined to succeed. Santiago is determined to succeed. Santiago is determined to succeed.
바다는 가혹한 선생님이다.
The sea is a harsh teacher. The sea is a harsh teacher. The sea is a harsh teacher.
산티아고의 성격은 훌륭합니다.
Santiago's character is admirable. Santiago's character is admirable. Santiago's character is admirable.
소녀는 인생의 교훈을 배운다.
The boy learns life lessons. The boy learns life lessons. The boy learns life lessons.
산티아고는 피로와 싸웁니다.
Santiago battles exhaustion. Santiago battles exhaustion. Santiago battles exhaustion.
투쟁은 가차 없습니다.
The struggle is relentless. The struggle is relentless. The struggle is relentless.
산티아고의 정신은 깨지지 않았습니다.
Santiago's spirit is unbroken. Santiago's spirit is unbroken. Santiago's spirit is unbroken.
물고기는 힘의 상징이다.
The fish is a symbol of strength. The fish is a symbol of strength. The fish is a symbol of strength.
산티아고는 자연의 분노에 직면합니다.
Santiago faces nature's fury. Santiago faces nature's fury. Santiago faces nature's fury.
바다는 친구이자 적이다.
The sea is both friend and foe. The sea is both friend and foe. The sea is both friend and foe.
산티아고의 용기가 감동을 줍니다.
Santiago's courage inspires. Santiago's courage inspires. Santiago's courage inspires.
소녀는 지혜가 자라난다.
The boy grows in wisdom. The boy grows in wisdom. The boy grows in wisdom.
산티아고의 여정은 서사적입니다.
Santiago's journey is epic. Santiago's journey is epic. Santiago's journey is epic.
물고기는 고귀한 적입니다.
The fish is a noble adversary. The fish is a noble adversary. The fish is a noble adversary.
산티아고는 정면으로 도전에 직면해 있습니다.
Santiago faces challenges head-on. Santiago faces challenges head-on. Santiago faces challenges head-on.
바다는 넓다.
The sea is a vast expanse. The sea is a vast expanse. The sea is a vast expanse.
산티아고의 결심은 흔들리지 않습니다.
Santiago's determination is unwavering. Santiago's determination is unwavering. Santiago's determination is unwavering.
투쟁은 성격의 시험이다.
The struggle is a test of character. The struggle is a test of character. The struggle is a test of character.
산티아고의 회복력은 놀랍습니다.
Santiago's resilience is remarkable. Santiago's resilience is remarkable. Santiago's resilience is remarkable.
물고기는 심해의 생물이다.
The fish is a creature of the deep. The fish is a creature of the deep. The fish is a creature of the deep.
산티아고의 정신은 여전히 강하다.
Santiago's spirit remains strong. Santiago's spirit remains strong. Santiago's spirit remains strong.
바다는 신비의 세계이다.
The sea is a world of mystery. The sea is a world of mystery. The sea is a world of mystery.
산티아고의 이야기는 시대를 초월합니다.
Santiago's story is timeless. Santiago's story is timeless. Santiago's story is timeless.
소녀는 산티아고의 지혜로부터 배운다.
The boy learns from Santiago's wisdom. The boy learns from Santiago's wisdom. The boy learns from Santiago's wisdom.